What's in the box? Installation position details. Hello everyone. Before deploying the devices, you need to first determine their installation locations. Of course, there are certain requirements for these locations. Let's take a look together. The front of the YPS20 sensor should face the door side. The maximum distance between the sensor and the door is 1.5 meters. It's recommended to install the YPS20 on the side wall near the door. Ceiling installation is not recommended by Yealink, as it may affect interference distance detection. Install above 2.5 meters to avoid interference from human movement. If there is a door frame blocking the front of the device, you can adjust the sensors 30 degrees to the left or right to avoid the obstruction. Obstructions behind the door at the installation location should be avoided as much as possible, such as people, beams, and lights. Keep a default distance of over 4 meters between the sensor and any obstacle. If the distance is less than 4 meters, you need to adjust the sensor's sensitivity knob accordingly. See the table for details. For example, if the interference distance is reduced to more than 1.8 m, the level should be set to 5. Then, based on the active distance, adjust the sensor and the door to maintain a distance of less than 1.3 m. Here are some standard examples provided for reference. If your door is a dark color, such as black, or if there are other complexities in determining the installation position, please contact Yealink technical support for assistance. Power on and installation. The sensor is connected to the GPIO and interface of AP08 via the Phoenix connector, an accessory included in the AP08. Next, let's demonstrate the wiring method for a single sensor. First, you need to check whether the action switch is in the D position. Connect the YPS20 wires to the Phoenix connector. Brown wire connect to terminal positive. White wire connect to terminal 1. Blue wire connect to terminal GND. Next, let's take a look at how to wire dual sensors. Connect both YPS20 sensors to the Phoenix connector as follows. Combine the brown wires and connect them to the positive terminal. The YPS20 for room 1 in the divisible meeting room is connected to GPIO port 1 to control the division between room 1 and room 2. The YPS20 for room 2 in the divisible meeting room is connected to GPIO port 2 to control the division between room 2 and room 3. Combine the blue wires and connect them to GND. Before installing the sensor, please power it on and verify its status at the selected location by observing the indicator lights. Green light on, orange light off, the sensor is functioning properly, and the room is divided. Green and orange light on, the sensor is functioning properly, and the room is combined. Green light off or flashing, the sensor is experiencing an error or instability. Please check that the wiring is correct or reposition the sensor within its effective detection range. After wiring verification, secure and deploy the device. For detailed instructions, scan the QR code. Configuration. Launch the Yealink Room Designer software. On the home page, create a new project and then create a new room. In the Room Setup wizard, select Divisible Room. In this example, we will use a 3-way divisible room. Click Next Step. Enter the data for each room into the form. And proceed to the next step. In the Room Facilities section, select the required equipment according to your needs. Click Design Preview. On the left side, you can preview the device topology. You will see that the YPS20 has already been placed in the room. In the Other section, confirm that the partition sensor is enabled. We need to verify whether the number of partition sensors is correct. Click Save. The designer will automatically complete the link design. Go to the link view interface. In the other section, you will find the YPS20 module and its related configuration details.